What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, we're gonna organize this gym a little bit further. We're going to do 3 things today. And yes, I'm standing in front of my pegboard, which already looks pretty organized. So what are we going to do? Well, the first thing I want to do is switch up this boring looking gray pegboard with a nice aesthetically pleasing white pegboard from IKEA that should be looking pretty slick. The only reason is pure aesthetics. So also there are some things that are bothering me aesthetic wise and structural wise. So stay tuned, we're going to do that also in this video. Also, you know that one does not simply hang something up in 10 minutes. So we're going to switch up to a time lapse where I'm gonna tear down this pegboard and we're going to put up a new one. And yeah, I'll see you when that's done. Also, here are the supplies. If I can give you one tip, if you don't like drilling into the wall, try to reuse as much as possible the existing holes. And with a little bit of luck, maybe we can reuse a bunch of these holes. That would be super awesome. How does that look? Oh man, looking clean. All right. So as much as I would love to reuse this row here, I think it's a little bit too low. So if there's weight coming off here, it will probably bend over. So I think it's better to drill 2 new holes over here so that we have a better secured board. Now, keep in mind, here we have to hang feet on, and if things hang on top of this, this will secure itself against the wall, in theory. Now this is some home gym blasphemy. Look at all that dust on these bars. No respect. So even if we hang this thing completely full, just having that white background, that nice clean aesthetic, makes it look so much more superior. I'm already loving this. So here it is. I think it looks amazing. Did we gain space? Probably not. Now I can store my bag of chalk. That is an added bonus. So don't mind the mess in here. And also don't mind this because apparently I don't know how to drink water. Maybe we should come a little bit closer here. So I'm a big fan of Rascal and Rascal Apparel and all these cool visuals that they make. And at one point I bought like 2 sets of stickers, so vinyl stickers, very high quality. I hung them up around this mirror here. Now I will show you how it looked before, but I thought if I look at this mirror, it looked way too full, right? I love the stickers, but something was like, yeah, it's too full. So I looked online how to remove vinyl stickers, and because they are high quality, I am allowed to do so. We blow that on top of the stickers, the adhesive will melt a little bit, right? And that allows us to peel the stickers off. Now we have to be careful that we don't stretch them out because it's vinyl, right? But we are able to loosen them up, and what I want to do to have this all clean again. Okay, and another thing, something that's a lot less on camera and on video, is this door here of this locker. And I think that makes it for a cool aesthetic to have all these stickers like randomly thrown on here. And this is my locker with all the filming gear and supplies and all of that good stuff. So it's typically out of the way in videos, and I still like this vibe. So maybe we can fill them up all the way up to here. Back down, I don't see any reason for that. So I already tried some, and yeah, let's just continue to do the rest. Okay, don't worry, I'll clean. Where's the, oh, here. So here we have it, the new door. Boom. And this right now looks a lot cleaner. I think I'm very happy with what I did. But yeah, that's number 2. So now on to the third optimization. And this is a very easy one, very fast. So when I'm doing my one-arm chin-up training, I sometimes wobble a lot with my feet and I hit my mace bells or my hammer a lot. So I need to find a new space for that. Now, I found just the perfect one. Voila! And this looks a little bit weird because it's just like in a corner, right? But wait. When we open up the door, it's perfect. It's out of the way. And when we train and it's a good weather outside, the door goes open, it's in a corner, nobody can touch it. And even if it's open, who's gonna walk over here? I won't. So yeah, just perfect. Out of the way, nicely concealed, and I also like this metal to be on top of rubber, right? I don't want it to be on the tiles, so that's also a huge bonus. So yeah, these are my 3 optimizations I made to the home gym. Very fast, very quick. I really love them. I especially love this pegboard. It looks, to be honest, it looks huge. When I look at this like that, it feels like, whoa, it's such an eye catcher. It's like I'm using more space. I feel like it's bigger, but it's also, I don't know. It's difficult to explain. What do you think? I like it. I like the clean look of it. I like the fact that it's white and that it matches the walls and everything. I like the fact that I can now store this thing for my daily videos. I also have a way to store my chalk. This bag here, guys, that's from back when this channel started. This exact specific plastic bag we've been using for more than 10 years now. So very awesome that this still holds true. Boom, put that in here nice and clean. It's also close to the pull-up bar outdoors. It's close to everywhere, where before this was stored somewhere in the corners of the gym. And when I needed it, it was always too far. So now it's central. It's easy to access. That's great. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite optimization. And let me also know if there was one that you thought was totally unnecessary. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me also know what you're going to do with your home gym. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Paisa!